Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today's video is my latest Vlogmas makeup challenge for 2020, and as you probably guessed, on this video we will do the Christmas makeup challenge. I am going to create this look using the eyeshadow palette that I got it as a Christmas present last year. Also, I was tagged by my friend Leah MacDonald to do this holiday tag. I thought I will combine the Christmas makeup look with the holiday tag. Just I will do it as a voiceover, as I'm known that I cannot apply makeup and talk about something else on the meantime. Let's see what comes out. This tag was created by Stacy Lee Beauty, and I was tagged, as I previously mentioned, by my friend Leah MacDonald. I will make sure to list both channels on my description box down below. The first question: do you shop on Black Friday? Yes, I did, and I have a two-part haul to prove it. Christmas cookies or candy? Christmas cookies. Actually, we have in my country, I was born and raised in Romania, a traditional sweet swirl bread called cozonac. I will make sure to list a video recipe in my description box for who's interested on this. Real or faux tree? We are going with real tree since we have children. Wet lights or colored lights? Colored lights for sure. The question number 5. Do you get excited for holiday gift sets? Yes, I love them. Every year I buy Christmas gift sets because I find the value is much better for the same price or even lower. Make ornaments or store both? It's the question number 6. I don't do any ornaments, so we'll trust the store ones. Do you pick presents or like to be surprised? I like to be surprised, but lately I get to pick the presents just because, let's say, the surprises weren't exactly pleasant. Wrapping paper or gift bags is the question number 8. It depends on the gift. Some gifts are more difficult to be wrapped, but usually we go with wrapping paper. But I don't do it. My husband does it. I cannot wrap anything. Favorite holiday movie is the question number 9. For sure I will go with Home Alone 2, Lost in New York. Question number 10. Favorite holiday song? I don't have a specific holiday favorite song, but when I was a child, I used to listen Romanian, I think they are called carols. I still love this. I don't feel that Christmas is coming if I don't hear them around on the month of December. Dress up or dress down for Christmas dinner? I don't dress specially for Christmas dinner, if it is just with my family, but of course I like to wear makeup. Favorite holiday tradition? Open presents under the tree on the Christmas morning. Next question is the question number 13. Do you set New Year's resolutions? Nope, not anymore. Question number 14. Stay in or go out for New Year's? I was the type of person that used to go out for New Year's. Not anymore after we got kids, and for sure not this New Year's. And the last one is to tag someone. Well, it's a bit late to tag someone, but all of you please feel free to do this tag if you like it. It's still holiday time. So I'm tagging all of you to do it. So I want to thank Leah. Thank you for tagging me to do this tag, and with this occasion I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a beautifully blessed time around your beloved ones. Okay, it seems my son wanted to be featured on my channel as well. Meanwhile, Mommy was trying to get some footage, but no matter I was telling him to go away, he just didn't want it to. So finally, this is the final look, guys. And this is my Christmas outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching my Vlogmas makeup challenge videos. And thank you in general for all your kind love. Love you all. Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday to all of you, my friends. See you soon. Bye bye.